Today we made chicken soup. One pot, two ways. A couple of dumplings too, but we'll do another video on those. The Holy Trinity. Onions, carrots, and celery. The basis of soup. Cool, so basically I'm going to take this stuff and this thing and we're going to make some chicken soup. I want to show you how. Nice comfy winter warmer. Alrighty, first thing we're going to do is just going to chop all this stuff up into a thing called a mirepoix. Mirepoix is your basis of French cooking, basis of soups. It's like your flavor foundation. It makes everything awesome. Let's get it done. Alright, cool. So this over here is a mirepoix. A mirepoix is roughly the same amount of carrots, onions and celery, I've included the leaves in this, put together and cooked. It is a basis for soups, for stews, for sauces, roasting as well. It is a fantastic thing to do. If I can teach you one way to sort of bring out a lot of flavor in your food, this is it. Like right there. Stocks as well. So next time you guys are cooking anything along the lines, it needs to be boiled, roasted or anything like that, use this combination. A mirepoix is quite literally the foundation of most food cooking. So get to know this well. Ready? Okay, so you see that and that. That's sauteed, that's not sauteed. Saute your mirepoix until your onions look like that, not like that. Cool? Alright. Pepper, garlic, thyme. Once you've got enough water in to cover the chicken, put a lid on it and leave it to boil for about 40 minutes. Cool, now that the liquid has reduced, the chicken is cooked, we're just going to take it out, put it on a tray and get all the meat off the bones. Right, so the soup is ready and you can have this in two ways. So what we've got over here is literally just broth, and if you, we still don't have a ladle. You can dish this broth, nice chunky vegetables, all the good stuff. Sorry, got to get the camera angles right. All the good stuff, and this kind of thing, I suggest you have with dumplings. Now I made these dumplings. They are stodgy as, but they're dumplings. I'll do a recipe on them someday. So that's one way. Second way is we blend it. Alright, so now when you blend the chicken soup, it becomes nice and creamy. It pours beautifully, got a great texture to it. I personally love it this way. With this you can add some cream, whatever the case may be, but have a look at that. Alright. So yeah, chicken soup, food for the soul. And it's really good. I mean, all these flavors are very natural, very neutral, very, I wouldn't say exceptionally spicy, but when you put them together, it just makes the ultimate comfort food. Oh, look at that, a subscribe button. Maybe you should hit it. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and we'll see you next time.